In the past, when you went into the factory, you left your business behind, and you could only react when you went back into your office. But with SAP Business One and ProcessForce on HANA, you can now take your business with you. So when problems do occur within a factory, you can now react immediately. By combining mobility, transactions and analytics, you can now manage business changes in real time. Therefore, transforming your business processes and making timely decisions, thus increasing levels of customer service and generating happy customers.
CompuTec, the best IT solutions for business.